Hello friends, it's Amit Trivedi. Would like to share one advice given by my professor of economics on financial advice. Here he explains about the different situations. Situation 1. He says, imagine it is the late night and you are walking home from office after a long and tiring day. You are thirsty, but your water bottle is empty, your house is still far, and you know that if you don't drink water soon, you will not be able to walk. Suddenly, you see an open shop in the distance, a convenience store. So you approach the owner and ask for a bottle of water. He hands over a bottle of water to you. You are delighted to hold the bottle in your hand and sense of happiness surrounded you. You check the bottle for the MRP indications. It's rupees 10. You remove the cash and hand it over to the owner. The owner looks at you and says, the price will be rupees 20. You look at him in disbelief. You know your legal rights and that the owner is unethical and wrong. There is no way out at this moment, and you eventually pay rupees 20. Situation 2. It is again late night and you are walking home after a rainy day. You feel thirsty, but you remember you have ample water with you. So you remove your water bottle, quench your thirst, and continue your journey home. On the way, as you pass by a convenience store, the owner approaches you and says, today we have an irresistible offer and you just cannot miss it. A water bottle MRP of rupees 10 is available at rupees 1 only. Hurry up, offer expires midnight. You look at him, smiles and walk away. So what have you learned? The principle is simple. If there is a genuine need, it is okay to pay even rupees 20 for a thing cost rupees 10. But if there is no need, it is not okay to pay even rupee 1 for a thing cost rupees 10, no matter how good the offer seems. This is such a basic principle that we always tend to ignore it. So before you proceed to pronounce or pounce on that next great online offers before it expires, after asking you and yourself, you should ask that do I really need this? This always helped me to keep the things in a perspective while purchasing anything, and in undoubtedly the most valuable finance advice that I have ever received. And I would like to end by quoting Tyler Durden. We buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress the people we don't know or don't like. So friends, do understand the importance of your pocket. Use it wisely. Thank you.